Hey everyone, welcome to Jokenby YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see one of the best official web browsers I have seen for Android Smart TV, which is GeoPages. You must be wondering whether it's an authenticated one. Yes, it's an authenticated official web browser released by Geo Platforms Limited. Watch till end of this video to know the full feature of this browser. You can find this application on any Android Smart TV and Android based set-top box. You can use your remote to browse content on your big screen. Let's install GeoPages on a Smart TV. Here I am using MeTV to show you the demo of this application. Head to the Play Store application and search for GeoPages. Click on install. It will take a time based on your internet speed. In meantime, you can check out application detail and screenshots. Once the installing process is completed, open the application to connect to the internet world. It's easy. This is the homepage of this application. You can find options at the top of the browser. Browse for the favorite websites by entering the keywords or simply using voice commands from your TV remote control. GeoPages interface is similar to the mobile desktop browser, where you have options like home page, refresh button, new tab. You can toggle between different pages by using the previous and next button. Additionally, in this browser, you will get 3 super cool features. Let's see one by one. First feature, in this browser, you will get 2 additional modes for your browsing, study and incognito mode. Study mode has a combine of the in-learning platform links handy for kids and learners. With incognito mode enabled, the browser won't save the browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered on the web page by the user. Second feature, you can sign in to your Google account to restore your favorite bookmarks like your browser, which will help you to personalize your web browsing experience. Third feature, this browser comes with ad blocker as an inbuilt option. This prevents ads from being shown on websites. It's easy, right? Why wait? Just try these simple steps to browse on your smart TV. We have provided the link for this application in the description. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Post your opinion in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe Jokenby YouTube channel. Happy browsing!